Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a beautiful 27-inch Coca-Cola tin sign. Again, this is coming from the San Jose collection we bought. Everything this guy bought was primo collector. So if you are into Coca-Cola or ready to start your collection or just need something great for the background of your collection, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the